Navigating through the noise, spotting key information. Hello learners! Today, we're going to journey into a very crucial aspect of language learning: identifying key information. This skill is vital in numerous daily activities, such as listening to news reports, attending lectures, and even when someone's giving you directions. So, let's dive in and strengthen our listening and comprehension skills. Understanding what's important in a conversation or a speech is not always easy, especially in a new language. However, being able to pick out the key information is crucial to grasp the main points and respond accurately. For instance, when someone's giving you directions, you'd need to identify and remember the key landmarks or turns. So, how can you improve your ability to identify key information? Here are some useful tips. 1. Listen for transition words. Words like first, then, after that, and finally often signal a sequence of events or steps. If you hear these, it's a sign to pay attention. 2. Notice repetition. If something is repeated, it's usually pretty important. It's a clear indicator that the speaker wants to make sure you understand that point. 3. Focus on proper nouns. Locations, names, dates, and other specifics are often key pieces of information. Make sure to note these down. 4. Pay attention to speaker's tone and emphasis. Often, the way something is said can indicate its importance. If a speaker stresses certain words, they're likely significant. Let's put these tips to use with a simple exercise. I'll give you a set of directions, and your task is to identify the key information. Remember the tips we've just covered. First, walk down Maple Street and turn right when you reach the bakery. Then, keep walking until you see a big red building. After that, take a left on Pine Avenue. Finally, you will see the city library right in front of you. So, what are the key points here? 1. Walk down Maple Street. 2. Turn right at the bakery. 3. Look for a big red building. 4. Take a left on Pine Avenue. 5. The city library is your destination. That's it for today's lesson, everyone. I hope you found it helpful in enhancing your ability to identify key information in conversations and speeches. Keep practicing, and remember, it's perfectly fine to ask people to repeat or clarify if you're unsure. Happy learning!